Hello everybody, my name is Cypher, and today I'm going to be doing another first unboxing, first look or whatever at the new thing I got. Now this is related to the last video I got where I put on my LED flashers and marker lights and brake lights and also driving lights. However, the big problem with that was the fact that the blinkers were blinking too fast, indicating that there was low latency, and they were blinking more than they were necessary. More than they were supposed to. So as a result, this custom LED relay by CustomLED is supposed to fix that issue. I'm going to go ahead and just unbox, show you what's in the package. And maybe in a couple of videos, if it's not too complicated, I will show you how to wire it all into a 1986 Honda Shadow 700. So as you can see here, we have a nice box. Has words CustomLED right up there. This is the ELFR 1, which is an LED flash relay, 12 volts DC in, black is the load out, so basically, black is negative, red is positive. Typical setup. Now, as it is noted before, or some people may have also told you, it's tightly packaged in here. I mean, it doesn't seem like that right there should fit in this, but somehow they crammed it in here. So as a result, what we're looking at here is we're looking at two wires. Now, for my Honda Shadow 700, doing the wiring, I do know that there's three wires. There's one leading to the brake light, there's one leading to the rest of the lights for your blinkers and stuff like that, and then there is your negative wire. So what I'm probably going to have to end up doing is I'm probably going to have to end up splicing the positive wire in and maybe just cutting off the positive wire, or cutting off the brake wire or something like that, and then just going ahead and splicing it in. Thankfully, it does also have this little hole right here, as you can see right here. So basically, with the cover, I could just go ahead and slip a screw through the cover or whatever, and I could just hang there. Looks a little bit like that. So it's more compact than the original one was. And also, if for those that are ready to plug and play, it also comes with these. I'm not exactly sure if I'll be able to use this or not. I haven't taken a long enough look, but as a result, using that right there, it does have a space for one other blade. So if I have to use another blade for whatever reason, I should be able to. As a result, I will do a follow-up video on this at a later point in time. Thank you guys so much for please do so. This is going to be kind of an ongoing series on fixing all the lights and converting all the rest of the lights over. According to the website, however, it did say that as long as I do have one incandescent load on this, everything should be fine, which I do plan to have only one incandescent load because I don't plan on changing out my fuel light bulb. So, should be fun. Anyway, universal relay for a 1986 Honda Shadow 700. Going on the bike soon, hopefully. Later on, I'm gonna hopefully do a video after I get everything torn apart and find out exactly how everything goes on together, show you exactly what my setup was and how I got it achieved. Ladies and gentlemen, that was my first look at the ELFR custom LED module, the custom relay, for the basically any motorcycle that needs an LED conversion done or gets an LED conversion done. In my case, it was a 1986 Honda Shadow 700. So if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys are interested in learning more, just let me know. Questions that I know will be answered. If not, I will find the answer to the question if I can. Without further ado, that is all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.